Hello children, welcome to class 9 mathematics. The chapter is triangles. Today we are going to discussing about some properties of triangle. Already know that some properties of triangles, some more properties of triangle. Let's see theorem 5.2. Before going to this theorem, already you know that if the all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Only two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal and the other one is unequal, that is isosceles triangle. So we have to prove on the basis of isosceles triangle, that is a theorem. Students, carefully observe the figures. We are given isosceles triangle. See theorem 5.2. Angles opposite to equal sides. Here AB and AC are equal sides. So what is angles opposite to equal sides? The opposite of AB is C and opposite of AC is B. So we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Let us write the first given. Isosceles triangle ABC, here in which AB is equal to AC. This is the given. So we need to prove. So angle opposite to AB is angle C. Angle opposite to AC is B. So we have to prove that angle C is equal to angle B, or angle B is equal to angle C. Let us take a construction. We need to construct a triangle ABC, that is draw a bisector of angle A. So we have to draw a bisector of angle A. This is angle A. Draw a bisector of angle A. So and also BC, angle A, and let this bisector divides the line segment BC. So let it be, and let D, this taken D, be the point. D be the point of intersection. D be the point of intersection of this bisector of angle A and also the side BC. So this is the construction. So carefully observe the given to prove, and constructing. Next step is proof. Let us compare the triangle ADB and ADC. So let us, you can take BAD and what is the CAD, like that also. Compare triangle BAD and CAD. So here it is already given, AB is equal to AC because in the given. So what is AB is equal to AC given. So and also BAD and CAD is also equal. Angle BAD is equal to CAD. This is from construction. Angle bisector. This is construction. So and also here it is AD is common side to both the triangle. AB, what is AD? Sorry, AD is equal to AD, common side. So there, what is a side angle side? By SAS rule, by SAS rule, triangle, what is BAD congruent triangle CAD. So therefore what is ABD? Therefore ABD, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD is also equal. Angle ABD is angle ACD also, because since they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore angle B is equal to angle C. Hence prove the theorem. Angle B is equal to angle C, or you can take angle C is equal to angle B. Dear children, converse of theorem 5.2 is also true, because let us see what is the statement of converse of theorem 5.2. Let us see. The sides opposite to equal angles, there in the theorem 5.2, equal side. So equal angles of a triangle are equal. So this is the converse of theorem 5.2. So the sides opposite to equal angles. In the theorem 5.2, the angles opposite to equal sides. So its converse is also equal. Let us see the examples. Example 4. In triangle ABC, bisector AD. Here the AD is the bisector of angle A. So that is, this angle is equal to this angle. So this bisector is perpendicular to side BC. So we have to show that this AB is equal to AC, and also the triangle ABC is isosceles. Let us see. Comparing triangle, this triangle and this triangle. Compare triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Comparing these two triangles. So already given BAD is equal to CAD. BAD is equal to CAD. That is given in the statement. So bisector of AD, angle A is perpendicular angle A, that is equal to. So it is given. So and also this AD, perpendicular side is common. AD is common, and also ADB is equal to angle ADC. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. It is also because perpendicular, and that is means both are equal to 90 degree. It is also given. So therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD, because what is angle side angle ASA rule. By using ASA rule, therefore the side AB is equal to AC. Therefore AB is equal to AC. What's the reason? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This is the reason. So therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, because both sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. Example 5. E and F are the respective the midpoints. Midpoints means that AE is equal to EB. Like that AF is equal to F is the midpoint of AC. That is AF is equal to FC. So let us see. By taking the triangle ABF, first triangle ABF, comparing, so equal sides. So we have to prove that this BF is equal to CE. Let us see. Compare triangle ABF and in triangle similarly ACE. So here it is already given. AB is equal to, expect midpoints of equal sides, that is AB is equal to AC. Equal sides means AB is equal to AC, that is given in the statement, because equal sides. So AB is equal to AC. Therefore if the sides are equal, therefore angles is also equal, because by the theorem. So that is, therefore angle B is equal to angle C, that is theorem, what is 5.3, angles opposite to ecosides are equal, that is the statement. Also BE is equal to, this BE is equal to CD. Where is the CD? Here the, sorry children, here it is angle A is equal to angle A. So because see, this angle A is common to both the triangles, that is angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. And also this, what is AF? This AF is equal to AE. AF is equal to AE because half of the triangle A side AB and half of the side AB, that is both are equal. AF is equal to AE. Half of equal sides, that is the reason, half of equal sides. Therefore triangle ABF congruent triangle ACE. Therefore the side BF is equal to CE. The reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This is the reason. Therefore BF is equal to CE. Here another one example is given. What is the example? In isosceles triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC is isosceles, that is AB is equal to AC, already given. AB is equal to AC. So, and also D and E, here the D and E are the points on side BC. So, such that this BE is equal to CD. This BE is equal to CD. It is also given. So, we have to show that the line AD is equal to AE. This AD is equal to AE. So, we have to show that AD is equal to AE. Let us see the, in triangle, what is triangle? ABD. So, first triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle ACE. So, comparing these two triangles, AB is equal to AC. It is also given. AB is equal to AC. So, and that here it is, if the equal sides are corresponding sides equal angles, that is angle B is equal to angle C. That is the, this is given in the statement. This is theorem 5.2, from the theorem 5.2. So after that BE is also is equal to CD. It is also given. BE is also CD. This is given. So subtract, what is the DE? Subtract DE on both sides. So BE minus DE is equal to, right side is CD minus DE. So see, BE minus DE is equal to BD. Then similarly CD minus DE is equal to CE. Therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACE. So let us take the equation. This is one is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So comparing the, using equations 1, 2 and 3, therefore this gives AD is equal to AE. What is the reason? CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles.